How to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in and zoom out on your videos in CapCut. This is perfect for creating smooth camera effects or highlighting key moments in your edits. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Import your video by clicking Import and dragging it into the timeline. To zoom in or out, use keyframes and select your video on the timeline and click the keyframe button in the right-hand editing panel. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to start and click the first keyframe. Next, move the playhead forward to where you want to zoom to end. Now resize or reposition your video in the preview window to create the zoom effect. CapCut will automatically animate the transition between the keyframes. Now, play the video to review your zoom effect so you can adjust the timing of the keyframes or tweak the zoom level to get the perfect result. Once you are happy with your zoom effect, click Export at the top right to save your video. Choose a resolution and frame rate, then hit Export. And that's it. Zooming in and out in CapCut PC is super easy and can add a professional touch into your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.